guys, so right now we're doing an unboxing of a Gen 5 Glock 17 MOS FS. So here we go, let's unbox. Ito po, pag binili nyo, it comes with two magazines, no? So I bought two extra magazines. Of course, there are also Glock magazines, so para mas masaya ang firing natin. So before anything else, let's clear our Glock. So we will unload. Okay, and then make sure that the chamber is clear. Okay, and then I'm pointing it to a safe direction and pulling the trigger. I've owned a couple of 1911s in the past, and this is the first time I bought a Glock. Although ever since I started firing, I was able to shoot different kinds of Glocks, no? And the first one I shot was, I believe, was a Gen 2 Glock 17 sa dating shooting club namin, and then was able to train with a Glock 19. So yan, so ito po yung first Glock that I bought, no, and with the blessing ni wifey. So to go to the features, no, again, this is, as you can see, it's a Gen 5, and as I mentioned, MOS model. That's the Modular Optic system. So you can see na on top of the rear part ng slide, you can see two screws there, no, which screws the plate cover of the optic mounting. There you go. So pag in-unscrew mo yan, tinanggal nyo po, you can install your chosen optic, no. And when you buy this, it also comes with the adapters. So at least hindi siya sold separately. So these are different adapters, no, for whatever optics na you choose. So may wrench na po siya, and it comes with 4 screws as well. So this is the MOS FS model. So FS meaning it has front serrations. So I believe yung unang Gen 5 na nilabas, wala siyang front serration. So smooth lang po siya. And then it also came with yung moon cuts or crescent shaped cuts here sa may lower part ng grip, and I believe that's for easy removal, no. Pwede yung sungkitin yung magazine. Although feedback from customers, marami may ayaw, and ako personally ayoko din siyang may moon cut. And also compared to the previous generations, the Gen 5 doesn't have yung finger grooves, no. And also one thing that I prefer na walang finger grooves, but still pretty much feels like a Glock, no? Like your previous generation Glocks. Nandun pa rin yung trademark Glock feel niya, no, when you grip it. Masarap talaga sa kamay, very pointable. So the sights naman, the Gen 5 came with plastic sights. So I think that's the one downside to the Generation 5 Glocks, no, compared to the previous generation Glocks, which come with steel sights, I believe. So ito polymer sights siya. Still has the trademark white U-shaped rear sight and the white dot foresight. So ganun pa rin po siya. Compared to the first Gen 5 that came out, both the dust cover and the front part of the slide beveled na siya pareho. Kasi alam ko yung slide hindi pa yata beveled dun sa unang lumabas. And then the barrel is what Glock calls a marksman barrel. So right off the box, I think meron silang kiniklaim a certain level of accuracy, no, or grouping. And then it comes with Ambi slide release. So that's the left side, that's the right side. And then the magazine catch, you can also fit it on the right side in case you're a left-handed shooter, so you can set up your Glock accordingly, no? Whether you're left-handed or right-handed. So by default, it's right-handed. So at least both sides meron siyang slide release. And the trigger, it still feels pretty much the same doon sa slack. So like the previous Glocks, of course this is bone stock, like haven't shot with this yet, so it pretty much feels the same. And then once you hit the wall, I believe mas malutong siya, and yung trigger niya is a lot better than the previous generation Glocks. So isa pa po. And there. And as I read, no, it feels around 5 to 6 pounds of trigger pull before that trigger breaks. So isa pa. So that's it. Again, Generation 5 Glock 17 MOS FS.